Ciao, here we are in Palermo.
Ciao!
What a beautiful location.
Raise your glasses.
Wow, what a beautiful sunset. Salute, salute, salute.
Welcome to Sicily, beautiful people from Oman. Welcome to your homeland.
Yes, welcome to your homeland.
And I'm super happy because Eleonora will be our guide. She's involved in this project since the beginning, and so we are so lucky to have Eleonora in this tour till the end. Eleonora, would you like to say something about this beautiful location, this beautiful group, and wherever you want?
So, about this beautiful location, we are on the rooftop of what was an ancient palazzo. Today it has been transformed into a beautiful hotel with this nice rooftop from where we can see the water, the Mediterranean Sea, or better, the Tyrrhenian Sea, and the mountains, all the chains of mountains surrounding Palermo. And the churches of Santa Caterina on the left, Santa Giuseppe di Teatini on the right, the Fountain of the Shame, La Fontana della Vergogna of Piazza Pretoria. Those are locations of our walking tour that we're going to have tomorrow. About this beautiful group, what can I tell you? For me, it's family. I don't know if we are really, truly related. Some of them maybe are 10th cousin, maybe some 8th cousin. I don't know yet. I haven't had my result of my DNA test. But if I have to choose a family from my heart, I can say I'm related with all of them. I know almost everybody. We have some new faces. We will know each other better. And Silana, she was asking me how this connection between me and Rosella and Gianca started, and we have to think best things of Sicily, best things to do in Sicily if in this moment we are here all together, because Rosella was keep going with the podcast, and even during the lockdown she was doing an excellent job, and perchance Sherry followed her page on Facebook, and Sherry told her, look, you have a tour operator, I'm organizing a tour with 50 people coming next year 2020. So that's how Rosella got connected with Sherry, and then as soon as they prepared the program and everything, 2020 was a bizarre year because it had 5 Sundays in August. So we didn't know which was the exactly Sunday that usually is the last Sunday, that is the 4th Sunday. So we were keep asking to the priest, is the 4th Sunday or is the 5th this year? And then the priest was going, we don't know, we don't know. And then the lockdown and the COVID arrived. And thanks to Rosella and Gianca, we kept being busy with Facebook, having a live and talking about Sicily. And thanks to this, I met Sherry. She told me, yeah, hi, I know you're a tour guide. I'm leading a tour next year, maybe the year after. And then I went like, I would love to create a bridge between those two cities. I'm creating an association, but nobody wants to join me at that time. So that's how here we are. And little by little our friendship has started, and all of those connections are the result of that moment. So thank you, Rosella. And thanks everybody. The majority of us are here for the first time in Sicily. So I'm super proud that you chose Sicily to know better Italy, because as somebody used to say, you can visit Italy, but without seeing Sicily, you will never understand Italy. Italy is the key of everything, and this was the German writer Wolfgang Goethe who wrote it, where all the extremities are very well defined, positive and negative things, but we love it as it is. As our motherland, where we were born, and we accept it as it is. And tonight we can enjoy one of the best sunsets I think that we can remember for our entire life. So thank you for choosing this place for us.
You are special people, and so you deserve this place. And I would like to remind our friends, our dear Sicily lovers, that tonight Gianca is not here because this is not the only this. We have
because
not
they were following.
yes, the other group.
Yeah, there's the Teresa group with 28 people, while we are a Sherry's group or Santa Lucia committee with 46, and the mayor sorted with us. So in this moment, the group is not completely completed yet, let's say.
Yes.
So in the next day, so you will see us more, and we will be everybody. All of us will be here tomorrow.
Yes, and of course we will broadcast every day to share with them the beautiful the highlights of Sicily.
Let's talk about this place for those who are not familiar with. It's called Le Terrazze del Sole. Now I'm not going to the sommelier version, but this is an excellent wine that Rosella chose for us, the wine Babbio of Gorgi Tondi, and we're sharing it with our big family. Thank you. So
it's so touching. You know, my English is terrible, so I don't find the right words, but I'm very excited to be here with you because we dream, Gianca and I and Leonora dream this moment
for 3 years.
Yes, so
they're coming.
Finally,
maybe next year.
Thank you to be here. Thank you to be here, guys.
Thank you.
You are beautiful, beautiful, and I know that we are going to enjoy a wonderful tour of Sicily, and we will enjoy Sicily to the fullest with all of you.
Yes.
And now it's time also for me to drink my wine and to toast with them. So maybe it's time to say bye-bye.
See?
Oh, my wine. Thank you.
We know how to do it in your own
Would
way.
you like to say hello to your sons and daughters?
Hello, sons. Live from Sicily.
How are you in Sicily?
We are taking care of them.
In Palermo.
How are you
I'm
here in
fine.
Sicily? No jet lag? You
No,
look fine.
No, I'm
so
fine.
come to Sicily.
Excellent.
Because with a
How
glass
come
of
that
wine,
you
your
don't have jet lag?
is over.
Yes.
So let's toast with them. So guys, a toast all together. 1, 2, 3, raise your glass.
Love.
Wait for me.
Oh. They already did.
I'm not ready.
You're too prepared.
Before we have to toast. With a glass of wine.
Salute. You're right.
Okay, now we are ready for the greetings as always.
Yes,
so all
for the
together.
greetings. Again.
The volume. I can,
The volume was not good.
No, yeah. I want
we can
to
do more.
higher.
Yeah.
So,
So.
love us
and kisses from
Sicily. Okay, now sound good. Yeah! Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao dalle terrazze del sole. Bye bye.
Our aperitif and nightlife in Palermo. Ciao! Best things to do in Sicily.com. Book your dream vacation. Ciao!